Hi everyone, and welcome to my AI productivity training. In this training, we will talk about how AI can increase our productivity in personal tasks and professional ones. And this training is inspired by your requests, which I receive on Udemy. I see that 80% of my students are searching for AI trainings. How we will go with this training? We'll begin with introduction. I will remind you about who am I, and then we'll go to how AI is linked with productivity in general and how AI can increase our productivity. Then we'll go deeper in history of AI, algorithms, and on how AI works. Then we'll discuss several topics about how AI support us in personal tasks and in professional ones. And then I will recommend you some resources to look for to get more information about AI. And that's it. That's our training for today. It will be not very long. So, brief reminder about who am I. My name is Azamat Kardanov. I am working for over 10 years in international companies on different roles in sales and marketing. I created a sales channel in many countries, sometimes from scratch, and my best skill probably is to create businesses from zero and to find new partners in new territories. Also I wrote several books about AI and with support of AI, and you can find them on Amazon and of course buy them. And my previous trainings was about creation of channel, and that there are always someone who can sell your product better than you. And today we'll talk about similar task that someone can sell your product better than you, and this one is probably AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science which aims to create machines which will solve tasks which usually require human intelligence. And of course, it can help us with routine tasks which require a lot of time and to do the same things. But it's routine, and probably computer can solve it better, and it will not lose attention during these routine tasks, which makes it more productive and more efficient. Then it can analyze data much faster than human can, and help us with some innovative decisions and in decision making in general, because analytic skills of AI is pretty high right now. And with all of that combined, it can improve our efficiency and productivity. Before we continue with examples of usage of AI, let's discuss what is AI, how it works, and when it started. Is it something really new? The concept of AI can be traced back to ancient times, but usually we are talking about 1950s and Alan Turing. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, is often credited with being one of the pioneers of AI. His famous Turing test was designed to assess a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human ones. And one of the milestones in 1950s and one of the milestones of AI is the Dartmouth Conference, which is considered as a birth of AI as a field. Organized by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, the conference brought together researchers to explore the possibilities of creating intelligent machines. Then we are going to 60s and 70s, and the initial enthusiasm led to significant advancements, including the development of early AI programs like ELIZA, an early natural language processing computer program. However, the limitations of computing power at that time and the complexity of the human intelligence led to what is known as the AI winter, a period of reduced funding and interest in AI research. The advent of more powerful computers and the development of new algorithms in the 1980s and 1990s reignited interest in AI. Expert systems which used rule-based logic to emulate human expertise became popular in this era. And when we are going to our modern times, advances in machine learning, especially deep learning, have propelled AI to new heights. AI applications are now pervasive, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced autonomous vehicles. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are at the forefront of AI research and development. Today, AI is a rapidly evolving field with a breakthrough in areas like reinforcement learning, generative adversarial networks, and ethical AI. The focus is increasingly on making AI systems more explainable, ethical, and accessible. In summary, AI has a rich history marked by periods of rapid innovation and challenges. Understanding its basic concepts and historical context helps us appreciate the transformative potential of AI in our personal and professional lives. Let's now move on to exploring how AI works and its key components. So, the basics of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It encompasses a wide range of technologies and applications, from simple rule-based systems to complex neural networks. Machine learning, ML, a subset of AI. Machine learning involves training algorithms to learn more from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. The more data the algorithms process, the more accurate they become. Deep learning, a specialized form of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers. It excels in handling large datasets at complex tasks such as image and speech recognition. Neural networks. These are computing systems inspired by the human brain's neural networks. They consist of interconnected nodes, neurons, that work together to process information and identify patterns. Natural language processing, NLP. This branch of AI focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. It enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Robotics, an interdisciplinary branch of AI that involves designing and building robots. Robots are often used to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or require precision. So let's see how it works to improve our productivity. Understanding the fundamentals of machine learning and neural networks is crucial to grasp how AI operates and its potential applications. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Unlike traditional programming, where a computer follows explicit instructions, machine learning enables computers to identify patterns, make predictions, and improve over time without being explicitly programmed for specific tasks. We have several types of machine learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on a labeled dataset, which means the data includes both input data and the corresponding correct output. The goal is for the model to learn and mapping from inputs to outputs. Examples include image classification and regression tasks. Unsupervised learning involves training a model on a data that does not have labeled responses. This model tries to learn the underlying structure of the data. Common tasks include clustering and association. Reinforcement learning involves training a model to make a sequence of decisions by rewarding it for good decisions and penalizing it for bad ones. This approach is often used in game playing or robotics. Key concepts in machine learning. Training data. The dataset used to train the machine learning model. Model itself. The mathematical representation of the data. Features. The input variables used to make predictions. Labels. The output variables that the model is trying to predict. Algorithms. The method used to train the model. Overfitting, when a model learns the training data too well, including the noise, and performs poorly on new data. Underfitting, when a model is too simple to capture the underlying structure of the data. Neural networks are a class of machine learning algorithms inspired by the human brain's structure and function. They consist of interconnected nodes or neurons which work together to process input data and generate outputs. Structure of a neural network includes neurons, layers. Layers can be input layer, hidden layer, output layer, weights and biases. How a neural network works. Forward propagation, the process of passing input data through the network to generate an output. Each neuron processes the input data by applying a weight, adding a bias, and passing it through an activation function to introduce non-linearity. Activation functions. Functions applied to the output of each neuron to introduce non-linearity into the model. Common activation functions include the sigmoid, tan, and ReLU rectified linear unit functions. Backpropagation, the process of adjusting the weights and biases in the network to minimize the error between the predicted output and the actual output. This is done by calculating the gradient of the error with respect to each weight and bias and updating them using an optimization algorithm, like gradient descent. Applications of neural networks. Image and speech recognition, identifying objects in images or understanding spoken language, translating it, moving it from voice to text, from text to voice. Natural language processing, NLP, understanding and generating human language, such as chatbots and language translation. Predictive analytics, making predictions based on historical data, such as stock market forecasting or customer behavior analysis. In summary, machine learning and neural networks are powerful tools that enable computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make intelligent decisions. Understanding this concept is essential to harnessing the full potential of AI in various applications. Let's now explore how these technologies can be applied to enhance productivity in both personal and professional tasks. Let's look at some of the key AI models and algorithms that power many of the smart technologies we use today. Understanding these basics will help us see how AI can boost productivity. First, we start with linear regression. Concept is simple algorithm finds the best line that fits the data points. It predicts outcomes based on the relationship between variables. For example, it's predicting house prices based on size and location. Second algorithm is logistic regression. Despite the name, this is used for classification tasks. It estimates the probability that a data point belongs to specific category. Determining if an email is spam or not is one of examples of that. Decision trees. These are like flow charts. You probably use them pretty often in your professional life. They split data into branches to make decisions and reach conclusions. For example, it can be used for customer segmentation to identify target groups for marketing. Next one is random forest. This method used many decision trees to improve accuracy and reduce errors. It can predict customer churn, for example, in subscription services. We continue with support vector machines, SVM, classify data by finding the best boundary that separates different classes. For example, image recognition tasks like identifying handwritten digits. K-nearest neighbors, KNN, classifies data points based on the proximity to other data points. For example, it's used by Netflix recommending movies based on your preferences, or by Spotify. K-means clustering. This unsupervised learning algorithm groups data into clusters based on similarities. For example, it's segmenting customers into different groups based on their purchasing behavior. Number 8 is neural networks. It's inspired by the human brain. These networks consist of layers of nodes that process data to identify patterns. For example, it can help you to recognize objects in images. We continue with convolutional neural networks, CNN, a type of neural network particularly good at processing visual data. It can be used for image classification, like identifying animals in the pictures. The next one is RNN, recurrent neural networks. These networks are designed for sequential data like time series or text. It can predict stock prices or generate text. The next one is GANs, generative adversarial networks. It have two networks competing against each other to generate realistic data. It can help to create realistic images from random noise or identify which one is real and which one is generated by AI. Then we go to reinforcement learning. It's a way when an agent learns by interacting with its environment and receiving rewards or penalties. For example, it can help you to train a robot to navigate a maze or robot vacuum cleaner, for example. These AI models and algorithms each have their own strengths and are used for different tasks. By understanding them, we can better utilize AI to enhance productivity in various aspects of our lives. And of course, they can be used together for the same task. They can be used in one AI model, and just good to understand how it works and why it works so. And let's start with examples of AI usage in our personal tasks. There are many task management tools which are using AI functionality, such as Asana, Monday, Trello, and of course we can use them for our personal and professional tasks. In calendar automation, of course, when you are sending some invitations, you can use Schedule Helper from Outlook, for example, and it's also AI. In email functionality, we see AI in such examples as when Gmail is offering answer to you, and you can start not by the blank message. And of course, note-taking tools are using AI to convert voice to text and text to voice. And right here, I want to show you the example of such tools from Amazon and 11 Labs. And you can hear how it's working right now.
Mikään ei ole pysyvää paitsi muutos. Mikään ei ole pysyvää paitsi muutos. Mikään ei ole pysyvää paitsi muutos.
On my YouTube channel, you can find videos about how I write several books and selling them on Amazon, and all of them are created with support of AI. Also, I'm using AI to write letters and messages in many languages. It's also helping you as translator, and also it can explain you on how some bureaucracy tasks works and how you have to write official requests. Right now in the video on the screen you see how I'm writing official requests to French authorities about driving license, for example. AI is used in learning platforms and in content recommendation in such platforms as Netflix, YouTube, Udemy. Also, you can ask support of AI to create your career path, and it's working well on LinkedIn, for example. And also it can create you some learning path on which courses you need to follow and which certifications you need to pass to achieve your career targets. Also, you can create a learning course by yourself as this one, and also AI can help you to make structure of it and to share your expertise on your course. And the same way, AI can be used to analyze your skills and find your strong skills or the ones where you need to improve. Of course, we can use AI not just in personal tasks, but also in professional ones, and let's see how to do it. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we manage and plan projects. In a professional setting, let's explore how AI can enhance project management and planning, making this process more efficient and effective. In task automation, AI can automate routine project management tasks, freeing up time for more strategic activities. AI tools like Microsoft Project and Asana can automatically schedule tasks, assign resources, and set deadlines based on project requirements and team availability. This ensures that projects are planned efficiently without manual intervention. AI can send automated reminders and alerts for upcoming deadlines, meetings, and task updates. In resource allocation, AI optimizes the resource allocation to ensure that the right resources are available for the right tasks at the right time. AI tools can analyze resource skills, availability, and project requirements to assign tasks to the most suitable team members. Tools like Smartsheet and Trello can help balance workloads and avoid overburdening any single team member. AI can predict future resource needs based on current project trends and historical data. This allows project managers to plan for additional resources in advance, preventing bottlenecks. In risk management, AI enhances risk management by identifying potential risks and suggesting mitigation strategies. AI tools can analyze project data to identify potential risks such as delays, budget overruns, or resource shortage. Tools like RiskWatch and Predictive Index can provide early warnings, allowing project managers to take proactive measures. AI can run various project scenarios to assess the impact of different risks and suggest optimal mitigation strategies. AI provides actionable insights from project data to support informed decision making. AI tools can provide real time analytics and dashboards that display progress, performance metrics, and KPIs. Tools like Power BI and Tableau offer visualizations that help project managers track and manage project performance effectively. AI can analyze historical data to provide predictive insights such as estimating project completion times, forecasting costs, and identifying potential delays. This helps project managers plan more accurately and adjust project plans as needed. AI enhances communication and collaboration among project teams. AI-powered assistants like Slack bots and Microsoft Teams bots can facilitate communication by answering questions, providing project updates, and scheduling meetings. These assistants can also help coordinate tasks and share information among team members. AI assists in creating and managing project documentation efficiently. AI can generate project reports automatically, summarizing key findings, progress updates, and performance metrics. This saves time and ensures that stakeholders receive consistent and accurate information. AI tools can organize and categorize project documents, making it easy to retrieve and reference important files. Tools like DocuSign and Google Drive can use AI to manage version control and ensure document security. You can see on example on the screen that we just take a publicly available report, and it's a big one, but AI pretty fast can create for us a report with milestones, with key data and key information from this report. AI is revolutionizing data analysis and reporting in professional settings too. Let's explore how AI can enhance these tasks with real-world examples. AI can automate the process of cleaning and preparing data. Tools like Trifacta and Data Robot use AI to identify and correct errors in datasets, such as missing values, duplicates, and inconsistencies. This ensures that the data is accurate and ready for analysis. AI can identify patterns and generate insights from complex datasets. AI tools like IBM Watson and Microsoft Azure Machine Learning can analyze vast amounts of data to uncover trends, correlations, and anomalies that may not be apparent through manual analysis. For example, a retail company uses AI to analyze customer purchase data, identifying buying patterns and trends. This information helps the company tailor its marketing strategies and inventory management, resulting in a 15% increase in sales. AI enables predictive analytics to forecast future trends and outcomes. AI tools like SAS Predictive Analytics and RapidMiner can build models to predict future events based on historical data. These models helps businesses make informed decisions. A supply chain manager uses AI to forecast demand for products based on historical sales data, seasonal trends, and external factors. This enables the company to optimize inventory levels and reduce stockouts by 25%. AI can process and analyze data in real time, providing immediate insights. AI tools like Apache Kafka and Spark Streaming can analyze data as it is generated, enabling businesses to react quickly to changing conditions. A cybersecurity team uses AI to monitor network traffic in real time, detecting and responding to potential security threats instantly. AI uses NLP, natural language processing, to analyze text data and generate meaningful reports. AI tools like Google Cloud Natural Language and IBM Watson NLP can analyze unstructured text data, extracting key information and sentiments. A customer service team uses AI to analyze customer feedback from surveys, emails, and social media. The AI tool identifies common complaints and positive feedback, helping the team improve customer satisfaction and service quality. AI can generate reports automatically, saving time and ensuring consistency. Tools like Tableau and Power BI use AI to create visual reports and dashboards based on the analyzed data. In example on the screen, you see that AI tool, the easy and powerful ChatGPT, can add missing information to our table, to Excel file, or just to table. AI is enhancing communication and collaboration in professional environments. Let's explore how AI can improve these aspects of work with practical examples. First is smart assistants for communication. AI-powered smart assistants facilitate seamless communication. AI assistants like Google's Smart Reply and Microsoft Teams bots can suggest quick responses to emails and messages, saving time and ensuring consistent communication. A customer support team uses AI-powered chatbots to handle common inquiries, freeing up human agents to address more complex issues. This results in faster response times and improved customer satisfaction. Then we go to meeting management. AI tools can streamline meeting scheduling and management. Tools like X.AI and Clara use AI to coordinate and schedule meetings based on participants' availability, reducing the back and forth often involved in finding suitable times. A project manager uses AI scheduling assistant to set up weekly team meetings, ensuring that all members can attend without conflicts. This improves attendance and productivity in team discussions. Real-time translation and transcription. AI enhances global collaboration by breaking language barriers. Tools like Google Translate and Microsoft Translator provide real-time translation for written and spoken communication, facilitating collaboration among international teams. AI tools like Otter and Rev can transcribe meetings and conversations in real time, making it easier to keep accurate records to share information. An international marketing team uses AI translation tools to collaborate on a global campaign, ensuring that all team members, regardless of language, understand and contribute effectively. Then AI integrates with collaboration tools to boost efficiency. AI features in platforms like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office can suggest edits, detect grammatical errors, and provide writing style recommendations. AI-powered platforms like Trello and Asana can automatically assign tasks, set deadlines, and provide progress updates, ensuring that all team members are aligned and informed. A content creation team uses AI-enhanced document editing tools to collaboratively write and refine articles, reducing the time spent on editing and improving the overall quality of the content. AI can analyze communication to gauge sentiment and gather feedback. Tools like Monkey-Learn and Lexalytics use AI to analyze the tone and sentiment of emails, chat messages, and social media interactions, helping teams understand and address employee or customer emotions. A human resources team uses AI sentiment analysis to monitor employee feedback from surveys and internal communications, identifying areas for improvement and boosting employee morale. AI improves the video conferencing experience. AI tools can filter out background noise during video calls, ensuring clearer communication. Platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams offers AI features that provide virtual backgrounds and real-time transcriptions, enhancing the professionalism and accessibility of virtual meetings. A sales team uses AI-enhanced video conferencing tools to conduct remote client meetings, providing a professional and seamless experience that helps close deals more effectively. In example on the screen, you see how AI can help us to create messages in style and tone we need, in a number of characters we need to write messages to customers or other persons we want to reach. And you see how it works perfectly to write it in any language, in any tone, and even if you don't know the language you are writing on. So let's continue with the next part, and it will be about our tips and tricks to make usage of AI more efficient. Let's continue with the best practices and tips on utilizing AI. To get the best results from AI tools like ChatGPT, it's important to know how to frame your prompts effectively. The way you ask a question or give a comment can greatly influence the quality and accuracy of the response. First of all, be clear and specific. So the more precise your prompt, the better the AI can understand and respond. Instead of asking, "Tell me about dogs," ask, "What are the characteristics of golden retrievers," for example. Provide context. Giving a background information helps the AI provide more relevant answers. Instead of saying, "What should I do?" you can say, "I have a presentation tomorrow. What are some tips for reducing anxiety?" Or you can send PPTX itself to your AI tool, and then you will give more context to AI to explain you how to use it or how to improve it. Ask one question at a time. Multiple questions in one prompt can confuse the AI. Instead of asking, "What is the weather today?" and "What are some good outdoor activities?" split it into two prompts. "What is the weather today?" and then "What are some good outdoor activities for that weather?" Use complete sentences. Full sentences are easier for the AI to understand than fragments. Instead of typing "benefits meditation," ask, "What are the benefits of meditation?" Again, it's not Google search, it's not search tool. It's your assistant. It's like if you would ask the person the question, you would need to tell the context, you would need to tell full sentences. So the best way is to talk with AI as with real person. Be neutral. Neutral language avoids biasing the AI's response. Instead of asking why is product X is better than product Y, ask what are the differences between the product X and product Y. And don't push AI to believe that one of the products is better than another, and give context. So if you want to get judgment, and to know which product is better and what are the characteristics on which one of them is better than another, then you need to be neutral yourself and to ask questions without pushing AI to answer as you want. Because if you will say why product A is better than product B, AI will support you and it will tell you that product A is better than product B. But this way you will never know the real answer. Iterate and refine. If you don't get the desired answer, try rephrasing or adding more details. If the response to explain photosynthesis is too simple, try explain the process of photosynthesis in details, or step by step, or write a guide, or imagine yourself as XYZ and explain me that topic. This way you will get the best answers, and even if AI is not ready to answer you from the beginning, from your first prompt, if you will rephrase it and try other ways, as the way pretend as someone, act as someone, it will help you very much to get better answers. So, examples of effective prompts and not effective one. So, for example, in case of task management, you can say, organize my tasks, and it will not be efficient. Better it will be to ask to help me to create a prioritized to-do list for my works, for my work tasks today. You can even share your calendar, you can share image of your screen, and AI will be ready to help you. Writing assistance. Poor way is just to say write a letter for XYZ. The good way is to explain. Write a formal cover letter for a job application as a software engineer. This way it will help you very much. Or you can write a message yourself and then ask AI to make it better, to make it more professional, to make it more friendly, to make it whatever you want to add to this message you can do. You can also translate it this way. Learning and development. Poor way to ask is learn Python. Better way, what are the best resources for a beginner to learn Python programming? This way you will get most from AI tool and you will get real support. To maximize the benefits of AI, it's important to integrate AI tools with other software and platforms which you use daily. This integration can streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and provide more comprehensive solutions to complex tasks. Now you can see on the market many software providers to promote that they are using AI in their tools. It's not always like that, and not always some tool with AI support, as they would call it, would be better than the one which formally has no AI in marketing message, for example. So don't believe in marketing promotions about that. Try it yourself. For example, you can integrate AI with project management software like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to automate tasks, assignment, track progress, and predict project timelines. Then you can integrate AI with communication tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom to enhance collaboration and automate responses, creating chatbots in Slack, for example. Or use it to transcribe and summarize Zoom meetings. AI and CRM also can work together, and in some CRM systems already you have integration of AI. In ones like Salesforce, for example. So you can use it to analyze customer data, predict customer behavior, and personalize marketing efforts. Then we go to AI and data analysis tools, and tools like Excel or Google Sheets or Power BI. You can even send Excel file or just table or print screen from Excel, or copy paste from Excel and request some analysis from AI. But also you have to create correct and the best way you can prompts to get better results. Then you can integrate AI into content creation tools. There are content creation tools which are already AI based, like InVideo, for example, or many others, Luma, Dream Machine, or Midjourney, and also you can integrate it in tools like Canva or Adobe Creative Suite to assist with writing, designing, and video editing. Email marketing tools also can be combined with AI. Tools like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or Sendinblue to personalize email campaigns, optimize send times, and analyze campaign performance. AI and e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, you can use them together to enhance product recommendations, manage inventory, and provide customer support. Also, you can use AI to create the best descriptions of your products, tags for your products, and get some recommendations in general. You can always send image of your shop, online shop, or even real shop, and ask for recommendations. But again, be precise and ask for real recommendations when you need them and when you are ready to change it. So very important whenever you use AI is to get better result, ask better questions. AI and social media management tools, you can use them to tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social to analyze engagement, optimize posting schedules, and generate content. So integrating AI with other tools can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows. By leveraging AI's capabilities alongside your existing software, you can automate routine tasks, gain deeper insights, and create more personalized and effective solutions. While AI offers many benefits, it also raises important ethical and data privacy concerns. Understanding these considerations is crucial for responsible and secure use of AI technologies. First of all, always remember about data privacy and never send sensitive information to tools which you are not trusting. So I tell you that you can send Excel files or other kind of files, but if you are not trusting it, for example, a few days ago, Elon Musk said that he will not trust ChatGPT and OpenAI tools which will be installed on new iOS software. If you are not trusting it, never send sensitive information to AI. It's the same, like never share sensitive information if you are not trusting it with the tool with which you are sharing it. Then we go to transparency. If you want to trust this tool, you have to know how it works. You have to know where your data goes, and it's very important to know that you are sharing it with a tool which you are trusting. The same, when you are getting some kind of content, if it's important for you to know that it's not AI generated, that it's real one, then it's important to have these labels, and maybe you are providing your services and content from other people, then you can label content by telling everyone that it was generated by AI. In many platforms now you can see that AI generated content is labeled. Ethical use itself. So there are many ways to generate fake news, non-relevant content by utilizing AI, and it's very important to know that it can be like that. You have to check if you are not, again, trusting the source of of information, because it became very easy to create such kind of content. And regulations. There are not so many regulations right now, but it's coming, and it will be more and more, because all countries see that usage of AI is growing, and we need regulations to save some industries from competing with AI, because in some industries it's very easy to replace people, real people, with AI tools. And yeah, if you want to know more about it, you can get my book about how AI can replace people in different industries. It's available on Amazon, and yeah, you can find the links in the description below. So here we go. We are on our last chapter now, and its conclusion. And as we come to the end of this training, I want you to remember key points of it. We began this training by knowing the history of AI and how it started. Remind you that it started in 1950s with Alan Turing, and then it grows so much in recent years, mostly because of growth of computing power. And the same we can say about growth of stocks of Nvidia. And then we continue with explanation of machine learning and neural networks. Maybe it was the boring part of this training, but yeah, you can rewatch it if you have some questions about it. Then we discussed how we can use AI in our personal tasks, and we go to professional tasks, and then we conclude with best practices and tips about creating the best prompts possible, and the way how to use AI with other solutions to grow your productivity. And we end by discussing ethical considerations and data privacy. So if you want to know more in this theme and use more AI in your life, I recommend you to search for other online courses and tutorials. There are many of them on Udemy, on other platforms, or even on YouTube. Then you can read books, my book or other books about AI. There are many of them right now. Join communities and forums. You can ask many questions and get answers from other users of AI technologies. And of course, subscribe for news, blogs, journals. Follow me on LinkedIn. I'll be glad to see you on that topic. And of course, the most important and the most efficient way to use AI better is to try it right now. So if you never try to use AI for your personal tasks, try it right now. If you never try to use it for professional tasks, try it right now. And you never know what will be the new way of using AI. Every day we see new examples of it, and yeah, maybe you will create one more. So I encourage you to try to use AI right now after this training. So you will find several links to books and online courses in the description of this training, and I encourage you to try it. It's not just my books or my YouTube channel, but also others. And of course, welcome to share your thoughts and what you think about this training, what you think about future trainings on my LinkedIn page. Always welcome. So thanks for joining, and have a good day with AI. Reminding you, try it right now.